Alright, so I think she's over here on the phone now. She's trying to hide from the camera. حركة حركة حركة.
What is this for?
شندولة حركة
حركة.
What is this for?
حركة. شندو.
شندو حركة حركتك ها مهر.
You need to I don't think you should be here.
حركة.
Do you speak English?
شريعة حركة ده.
حركة حركة.
You need to get out of the way.
حركة حركة.
Please.
What language are you speaking?
شندو شريعة حركة.
What are you speaking?
You need to I'm gonna go
What language?
I'm gonna go get Father Steve.
Do you speak English?
حركة. حركة.
مركز هذا.
The other way.
مركز هذا.
Other way, please.
مركز هذا.
Move.
مركز.
I don't know what you're saying. Speak English.
شريعة شريعة.
Get on the sidewalk.
شريعة
People are coming in
حركة
here.
شريعة.
Go. Go.
حركة.
شريعة.
حركة. هري هري. حركة.
What's up?
شندو.
Why are you filming?
شندو.
شندو شلة هلا حركة.
شندو.
Why are you filming our car?
حركتها حركتها.
حركة.
شندو حركة.
You can't answer the question.
حركة حركة.
All right, I can't go now.
Rapaka harataka.
Father Steve, we called.
Gentlemen, hey, how are you? You want to? I can either call the police, or you can leave. You have a choice.
Shariapa harakat harat.
Thank you very much.
Shariapa
All
harakat.
right, no problem. All right, just call 911. That's great.
حركة.
They're on their way. Father Steve, they're on their way.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great day. Yes, good morning. This is Father Steve. Father Steve. Bane is here for each, and I'd like to report Okay, no problem. Have a great day, gentlemen. All right? Have a great day. So the police can take care of it. Sorry. Okay? All right? Have a great day. Thanks. See you, Scarp.
You want to film me?
Yeah, film him. He's good looking.
I'm his bodyguard. I have to leave now.
It's great. Hey, let me go get some makeup so I can look prettier for you. We'll just wait for the police. No, it's no problem. Who's got the next mask? Oh, you do? All right. Go. Oh, yeah. You're all right. I'll just wait.
حركة حركة هنا
حركة حركة حركة
حركة حركة هنا
شرم حركة
حركة هنا
حركة شرم حركة
حركة حركة
أره شكرا
حركة بابا حركة هنا حركة 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 هركة هركة
Just want you to know that the police will be here, so you can deal with it.
حركة حركة
Make sure you get a good shot. Hey, I love it. I never gotten filmed so much. It's wonderful.
هركة بابا حركة شندو حركة هنا
Of course not.
حركة هنا ربك ها بابا
Oh, come
بابا
here. Get my good shot. Come on, over here. Get my good side. Get my good side.
بابا حركة ربك ها ربك هرا
on your property, you would have to advise them of trespassing. And the next step would be your property, knowing that you've already advised them of trespassing. Would be to sign the obviously, I cannot do that because you are on your property. So, it's up to you.
I don't consent to you videoing me. Please leave me alone.
Shariapa, Shariapa,
Ariapa yourself.
Shariapa, Haraka, Shariapa.
Number character, this guy's lying.
Shariapa, Shariapa.
Okay, good. Gentlemen, whether you speak English or not, I do not know.
Shariapa,
But I want to let you know.
Shariapa, Harakata, Hara.
You can just go for it.
All right. I just want to let you know
Sharaka, Harakata, Mahara,
that as long as you stay on public
Inshallah,
property,
Harakata.
fine. If you come on private property, you will be.
Harakata, Mahara.
All right.
Harakata, Harakata, Haramahera.
You got it, sir. Have a good rest.
Shariapa, Shariapa, piece of shit, Harakata.
Thanks, sir. You got it.
Haraka.
What a piece of
Jackass, piece of shit,
Putting hands
jackass.
on people, you piece of shit, and you're a father? On camera, you piece of shit, putting your hands on people? Why don't you tell the officer that, you piece of shit? Man, what a father you guys have. The nice adult to put your hands on people? You guys never seen a camera, you little Karen?
Maybe they like the hands on them, huh?
Man, look at these idiots right here, calling the police. because
How about
of
on your
the camera
kids? You
here.
like the hands on your kids or what? You
What's up
like
with
people
that? Is
putting
that what
hands
the
on
father
people or
does?
what?
He feels real comfortable to come and touch a grown man. Imagine what he does to a young boy.
Or you.
Or you, that's why you're in fear?
Or your sorry ass.
What's up, father? You're good touching a grown man. What do you do elsewhere, huh? All on camera, you touching live.
You piece of shit.
You like to put hands on grown men, huh, father?
Intimidation fail, how old man?
Yeah.
Intimidation fail, how old man?
Coming out here and putting your hands on a grown man? Imagine what you do elsewhere.
And then he tries to call the cops when he's probably the one
Fearful.
being disrespectful to people,
Disgusting
slapping them
behavior,
around.
man. And you lie. And you lie saying we went on your property.
You fucking liar.
You're a liar. Wearing
Satan
that collar?
lives here.
Shameful.
Satan lives here, the liar.
That father is Satan. Wait,
Satan, the liar, lives here.
lying with that collar on.
With his sandpaper hands.
What's up with that?
Ask me how I know he has sandpaper filling hands.
Piece of shit father you
That
guys
piece
have
of
here.
shit put his hands on me.
All on video. Thousands just watched.
And then he lied like Satan. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Satan lives here today.
What's up with your
Today,
father?
Satan lives here with all these lies. Today, Satan lives here with all these lies these ladies are telling you. Don't pray to Satan. Don't pray to Satan. Satanist right here. Satanist. Look at you, liars. Unbelievable. Satanist here. Praise Satan. That's what you're doing. Being a liar. You be a liar, you're praising Satan. Don't be a liar.
You're the church of liars. The father is a liar. All on camera.
Satan lives here.
That father is Satan. He's comfortable touching a grown man. Imagine what he does elsewhere.
Where's your blowhorn?
Bro.
You forgot it, huh?
Yeah.
See, now you're stressing your voice, dude. You're not gonna be able to talk on the next
Good,
one.
homie. Oh,
I hear it.
I gotta let him know. What happened, Karen?
Karina's, huh? Karen, Karina's, everything.
Hurry up, make the turn so I can get your license plate.
I'll get it right here.
Shameful, father! You're disgusting! Disgusting!
You got it when he came and slapped me?
Yeah, dude, I got it.
He hit me hard, dude.
Everyone saw it, dude. Sick maniac. Imagine what he does elsewhere.
It was like hitting a fucking brick wall, though. He was like, boom, boom, boom.
He's like, what happened here?
Satan lives here. The Father is a liar.
Downey,
Do not listen to his preachers.
We found the devil here. You're devil, the preacher, right here. That father's disgusting. He lies.
And he puts hands on people
Then he walks back on holy ground. That's disgusting.
with his sandpaper filling hands.
You're disgusting.
Ask me how I know he has sandpaper hands.
Putting your hands on people and then lying to the police.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
You guys should have come here. The Father's a liar.
Father's a liar.
Liar. Cheating the system.
We need to find out wherever he was back
Go
before
God.
this.
Go God, why are you preaching with Satan? Why are you preaching here with Satan then?
Hands on people and lying.
The Father is Satan. The Father is Satan. He's a liar.